National Night Out. No? Oh no, it's not.
Is it barbacoa?
Yeah, mine was steak. They probably ran out. I was gonna try to see if I can go for seconds, but not if it's
Barbacoa.
I usually don't mind, but
No.
I really like the steak one.
Get your hot dog,
How are
buddy.
you liking your hot dog, Yuri? Deliciousness.
You want some of mine?
I'm gonna go play.
You might not like it.
It's pretty cookie.
Okay.
Is that hot?
Mom, you are so silly.
I know.
Pick up your card.
No, he's gonna get a cotton candy. We're supposed to share them, but you finished yours and Giddy finished his. Is that delicious? Because there's lots of like where you licked it all over the place. It's okay. Melted. Pure sugar. Ben standing in line over there to grab some more. What? It's just a little messy. It's okay. We can grab a napkin. Yeah? But it is getting late. They were supposed to shut down at like 8 o'clock, but it's approaching 8:30, I think. The band's still playing, but everything else is pretty much packing up and going home. So we're walking to our car. Did you have fun, Erie?
Uh-huh. I think that's a magic show, man.
Yeah. Yeah, we saw a magic show. It was really cool.
I think that's a magic show car.
Yeah.